The ifs function checks whether one or more conditions are met and returns a value corresponding to the first true condition. The ifs function is available in Excel 2019 and Office 365 and replaces the old nested if function where you need to combine the if and function. So in this example, I want us to get the bonus of respective salespeople based on the legend that is available here on column H and I. For sales above 300,000, you get a commission of 10%. Between 100 and 300, you get 5%, and below 100, you get 0. So with the ifs function, you start with the largest figure. So I'll type ifs, then check whether this sales is greater than 300,000, then I'll pay 10%, comma, if this sale here is above 100,000, then we pay 5%, and if this sale is above 0, then we pay 0. Then close the bracket and press enter. Then you copy this downwards. Compared with the nested if, we'll require to nest by typing first whether this is below 0, we pay 0. Then for the ranges that are between 100 and 300,000, then we'll need to nest the if function with an and check whether this sales here is greater than 100,000 and whether this sale is less than 300,000. If that value is true, then we'll pay 5%, otherwise we'll pay 10%. So these two functions can be used interchangeably. Thanks for watching. My name is David Kandiye.